We have approximately 30 to 35 planes at the moment. We're going to be buying about 30 to 35 more in the next year and a half. Where along with our new facility that we're building, we're also going to be building a hangar that's going to house 30 planes. So we are making a nice facility here.
Let's talk a little bit about the fleet. You mentioned Cessnas and Pipers.
We have a full fleet of Cessnas. We do use 150, 152, 172, and Piper Senecas for our multi-engines. Okay. We try to keep uniform no matter what plane you're getting into. Again, going back to the safety. You want to make sure that you're comfortable in any plane that you're in, so we will try to uniform every single plane in our fleet. There's also a part of the training for PPL students that will go over the systems, and that's really exciting that they get to go to our in-house maintenance shop here. So as you're learning in the book, you get to see it firsthand for yourself. Oh, wow. So it is very exciting for you to be able to look and physically see what you're learning in a book, because you do need to learn the systems in PPL. We do take you down to the maintenance shop and you guys get to experience the systems, and you can ask any questions that you need to our mechanics there. We have a fantastic mechanics team here. They're fantastic. Some of our mechanics here were hired on as mechanics. Loved the school so much, loved the planes, loved everybody and everything about the school so much that then they decided to sign up to become students. So not only are they working on the planes, they're also flying the planes that they're working on. So again, it like kind of makes an extra and a little extra bonus there. Like, you know, this must be a pretty good place because they're working on the planes and then they're good about going out into those planes. We can maintain our high safety standards here by doing just that. We do 50-hour oil changes. We do 100-hour checks. We do annual inspections. So they're constantly in there being checked. Every bit of that plane will be taken apart at one time or another. And I have walked in there where they've literally had the wing panels down and the entire insides ripped out and the whole engine covers off and half the engine sitting out, because they're checking absolutely everything. Every system in that plane is going to be checked off before it gets back out to the students. Instructors at the moment, and we regularly hire CFIIs. Because once they make their 1,500 hours, of course, they want to go out to the real world, and we're excited for them. So we're constantly refreshing our CFIIs. That's why we make it a point of the students, when they complete CFI training, try to keep the instructors about 4 to 5 students, because they need to get their hours, but we don't want them overwhelmed either.
Exactly.
So we are constantly hiring, and as we're growing in students, we're hiring more. Over here, our designated flight path takes us out in a nice calm setting. You're not overwhelmed with it. You also have, as you said, Amazon Prime. Yes, they go out regularly throughout the day.
Guys, that's a wrap for our visit in Kingsky Flight Academy. So now we're gonna quickly share some of the baby captain's afterthoughts as the veteran of student pilots a couple years ago. Number 1.
So something that we think that it's very smart from Kingsky, it's the standard fleet. When you're starting training, you want to keep things simple. Having a standard fleet, it's gonna avoid that confusion of jumping from different planes.
It's gonna be the same interior instrument layout across most of the aircraft. So similar to our airline operations as well. You're gonna get the airline training starting from day 1.
Another thing that we really think that it's very good, it's the in-house maintenance. This is going to pretty much have availability maintenance 24/7 in case they need something. If something goes wrong, they also have mechanics ready, and then that way you can always keep focusing on your training and progressing with no delays per maintenance.
That's also another plus for Kingsky Flight Academy, where they are instructor to student ratios. They have 75 to 300 students, which means every instructor is going to be evenly distributed for 4 to 5 students assigned. So the instructors is not getting overwhelmed while they are collecting hours, and at the same time, the student can continue having training consistently. And that's what we always talk about, right? Kingsky does work with international students as well, which they offer M1 visa for you to complete your flight training. That's the first phase of your pilot journey. And and thinking about if you're considering of collecting flight experience after training, that is also another big part in your journey. And M1 visa may be limited. We do really enjoy our visit in Kingsky Flight Academy.
So just to finalize this video, we really want to say thank you to Kingsky for opening the doors to us, and we can have the chance to interview them. They were very transparent and they gave us the option to learn about their programs.
If you're at the current stage of looking for your flight school that fit your path or fit your current life stage, then tag along. Stay tuned for our next flight school.